Your liver is such a mysterious organ as it has multiple functions, including storing excess vitamins and minerals, detoxifying the body, and breaking down food into energy. But while your liver is a crucial part of your health, we're damaging it with an unhealthy diet. Why is the liver a vital organ? The liver works to remove toxins and metabolize nutrients. It is also responsible for processing certain medications, and it plays a role in the metabolism of fat and glucose and the production of bile, which is used to aid digestion. Liver health is directly related to overall health, and people with liver problems are generally at higher risk of developing many of the diseases that lead to death. Let's look at the 6 foods that you can eat for liver health. 1. Oatmeal. Oats are a great food to eat for liver health. They are a rich source of fiber, which is good for your digestive system and good for your liver. It also has a rich source of protein, which is excellent for your liver. It is loaded with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, and it is even packed with vitamins like vitamin A. All of these benefits make it an excellent food to eat regularly to improve your liver health. 2. Citrus fruits. Regular consumption of orange and other citrus fruits can reduce the risk of developing liver cirrhosis. This severe liver disease occurs when the cells of the liver become damaged and fail to function correctly. Citrus fruits are a rich source of fiber, folate, and vitamin C, which can help prevent cirrhosis. 3. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, like kale, spinach, and collard greens, contain chlorophyll compounds that promote liver cleansing and help extract toxins from the body. It may also help balance hormones, such as estrogen, which can accumulate in the liver during menopause. Cruciferous veggies, such as broccoli, promote the release of healthy enzymes in the liver and reduce oxidative stress. 4. Avocado. You want to eat avocados regularly because it helps keep good liver enzymes, which is good for your body. Healthy liver enzymes are what helps your body to detoxify your body. Eating avocados will keep your liver healthy and also makes you feel healthy. It's also a good source of vitamin E, which helps with the health of your liver and is also rich in potassium. It's believed that it can help treat chronic liver disease. 5. Coffee. Coffee is a drink that is enjoyed by millions around the world. Coffee contains over 60 different healthy chemicals. One of these chemicals is choline. Choline helps prevent fatty liver disease. Coffee also contains a lot of antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid. Choline and chlorogenic acid can help reduce the level of cholesterol in your liver. They also help reduce the risk of liver cancer. We recommend drinking 2 cups of coffee per day. 6. Garlic. You want to eat garlic regularly because it helps keep the levels healthy of the good liver enzymes, which is good for your body. You also want to eat garlic to fight off any diseases that may appear. The study found that people who consume garlic have a 44% lower risk of developing liver cancer than those who don't consume it. What do you think about these foods? Will they help your liver health? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.